Today I'm testing GeoTagAI's image metadata tools. First, I'll bulk upload a group of images into the geotagging tool. GeoTagAI automatically processes the images, generates location-based metadata, adds GPS coordinates, and embeds the data directly into the photos. Now I'll open the metadata viewer and check one of the processed images. Here you can see the metadata that was added, including location details, GPS data, timestamps, and image information. Next, I'll go to the metadata stripper. I'm going to upload the same image and remove all hidden metadata from it. Now let's go back to the metadata viewer and check the stripped version. As you can see, the metadata has been removed. So with GeoTagAI, you can add metadata for local SEO, inspect what's inside your images, and strip metadata for privacy, all directly in your browser. Try it free at geotagai.com.